Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lessons, looking at lesson number 6, ka phapushing ya go rutela, in the classroom. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to identify common classroom objects and use them in simple speedy sentences. Vocabulary: classroom. Phaphushi, 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 phaphushi. Teacher: morutishi, 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 morutishi. Learner: morutwana, 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 morutwana. Book: puku, 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 puku. Pen: pene, 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 pene. Pencil: pensele, 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 pensele. Board: poto, 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 poto. Table: tafula, 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 tafula. Chair: situlo, 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 situlo. School bag: mokotla, 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 mokotla. 5 sentences. The teacher teaches Sepedi. Morutishi o ruta 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 Sepedi. I write with a pen. Ke ngwala ka pene, ke ngwala ka pene, ke ngwala ka pene, ke ngwala ka pene, ke ngwala ka pene. The learners are reading books. Barutwana ba bala dibuku. 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 The book is on the table. Puku e godimo ga tafola. 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 The learner puts the bag under the chair. Morutwana o beya mokotla ka fase ga setulo. 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 Grammar focus: position words, prepositions. These words tell us where something is. Godimo ga, on top of, ka fase ga under, gaufi le near, ka gare ga inside. Example, puku e godimo ga tafola. The book is on the table. Mokotla o ka fase ga setulo. The bag is under the chair. Learner activity. Look around your classroom or study area and make 3 Sepedi sentences using godimo ga, which is on, ka fase ga, which is under. Example, pene e godimo ga puku. Pene e godimo ga puku. Pene e godimo ga puku. The pen is on the book. Word of the day, thuto. Thuto. Thuto, which means education. Example, thuto ke senotlelo sa bokamoso. Education is the key to the future. Thuto ke senotlelo sa bokamoso. Thuto ke senotlelo sa bokamoso. Thuto ke senotlelo sa bokamoso. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.